Hi, my name's AJ Nidek. I'm one of the sales leaders here at the Tutco Heating Solutions Group. For years, we've been providing control panels, both standard and custom, to go with our electric air heaters. Recently, we've moved that production in-house. It's one more thing that we can control in a world where we can't control everything. This is an example of one of our 480 volt, 3-phase, 60 amp panels. This is a standard product. We usually keep some on the shelf. Your heater start, stop, over temp, programming it up and down for your temperature controls, an e-stop for safety. Let's look inside. Inside you will see a UL 508A panel, top of the line components. If you're interested in this or any of our other control panels, please give us a call. Thank you for watching.